Hey Dad, what's going on today?
Concrete day. So it's always fun, concrete. Like it's pre-dawn right now, and we're not quite so used to pouring concrete this early in the morning. So trying to see what there even is out here, let alone getting ready for it. And it's always the excitement of concrete. Thinking of all the things I forgot to think about yesterday, and so that's what I'm busy doing right now.
Well, it's pretty prep to me.
It's ready to go. I just got to make sure there's a few things. Like what I'm doing right now, I realize, is we have a bunch of stuff. We're pouring a step. Got to clean that stuff out so that we have a good solid step, and not a step with leaves when we're done.
Cool. Is there anything happening on this pool that's interesting?
I think everything about this pool is interesting. There is a lower pool going in, so we'll have two separate pools and a spa. Two slides, one on each side of the grotto, one going down to the lower pool, one going to the upper pool. Lots of really cool thing. There's a swim-up bar right here, fire pit behind me. We're trying to work on a way of putting some type of movie screen up so that they can play movies, because we'll have speakers in the water as well as surround. So it'd be fun to be able to sit here and watch a movie and then kind of part of the whole environment. So yeah, there's a lot of fun stuff going on here.
Very cool. Thank you.